Welcome to Coinpunks, where we cover the top stories in the crypto space, helping you get informed on all things related to digital assets. Let's jump into today's stories. During the Premier League match on August 14th, the Watford Football Club players wore shirts with the logo for the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin on their left sleeves. The club announced in July a multi-year partnership with Stake.com, a global crypto casino and sports betting platform. The company explained, starting in 2021 to 2022, the club record deal will see Stake become the club's principal shirt sponsor as they return to the Premier League. On August 10th, the controversial infrastructure bill passed in the U.S. Senate in a 69-30 vote. The bipartisan bill proposes roughly $1 trillion of funding into transportation and electricity infrastructure projects. The bill also puts forward more stringent rules for firms handling crypto assets while expanding reporting requirements for brokers, who will be required to report digital asset transactions worth more than $10,000 to the IRS. 6 senators proposed an amendment to the Buzzkill bill on Monday that would exempt software developers, transaction validators, and node operators as brokers, while proposing that tax reporting requirements only apply to the intermediaries. Their efforts didn't bear fruit, however, with future clarification on crypto not provided. Senator Toomey flamed the bill in the aftermath, noting that the legislation was too expensive, too expansive, too unpaid for, and too threatening for the innovative cryptocurrency economy. Shark Tank host Kevin O'Leary has become an official spokesman for Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto exchange and will be paid in crypto and receive equity as part of the deal. According to an August 10th announcement, the partnership with FTX Trading and West Realm Shire Services will see O'Leary take an equity stake in both firms. The venture capitalist, also known colloquially as Mr. Wonderful, signed the multi-year deal to serve as a brand ambassador and spokesperson. He asked to be paid in crypto assets to increase his holdings. In the announcement, O'Leary noted that institutional investors struggle with the decision to invest in crypto assets, as they harbor compliance-related concerns, as he did regarding crypto. He stated, "To find crypto investment opportunities that met my own rigorous standards of compliance, I entered into this relationship with FTX. Regulatory compliance in crypto has been a long-standing issue of the investor, and he previously stated back in 2019 that he had no interest in doing any of this crypto crap because it's not compliant."
Tell me why this, which is basically a digital game, that's the way I look at it, has any intrinsic value. When people actually put real money into this, they make no interest, they can't pay their taxes with it, the regulators don't like it, which is always a problem for compliance. And where's the long-term value? Just this idea that they're going to cut the number of units in half, that's such a scam. That's just totally BS.
Look at people using it. That's ultimately what matters.
All the other crypto crap.
O'Leary has been tasked with elevating the brand to large audiences and has already got to work on social media by promoting an FTX CryptoPunk NFT giveaway on Twitter. Jamaica is aggressively progressing with the country's central bank digital currency as the Bank of Jamaica, or BOJ, has minted the country's first batch of CBDC. According to the announcement, the Bank of Jamaica is planning to issue a total of 230 million Jamaican dollars, or $1.47 million, in the form of a CBDC as part of a digital currency pilot ending this December. Hafez Zard, a resident of Israel, has been sentenced to 8 years in prison for embezzling a large sum of cryptocurrency that belonged to a friend of his. The man who refused to cooperate with the investigation will have to pay a hefty fine as well. The 27-year-old Zard received a sentence from the Beersheba District Court, Israeli news outlet Net reported this week. According to the website, Zard stole 75,000 tokens of Dash worth an estimated 22 million Israeli shekels, or $6.8 million US dollars. The fiat equivalent dates back to the time the theft took place. The coin's current value is almost twice as high. Zard, who has not returned a single Dash to this day, has been convicted of theft in aggravating circumstances and other offenses. The court has also imposed a fine of 5 million shekels, approximately $1.55 million, and a maximum compensation of 258,000 shekels, almost $80,000. What's your opinion about the court's decision in the case of the large cryptocurrency theft in Israel? Let us know in the comments section below. Closely followed crypto trader Pentoshi says there will be no stopping Bitcoin after BTC breaks a certain price area. The pseudonymous trader tells his 212,000 followers that the $48,000 level is the last point before Bitcoin becomes unstoppable. According to the trader, all eyes are on $48,000 or a bullish higher-low setup between the high $30,000 and low $40,000 range for Bitcoin. As for Ethereum, Pentoshi thinks the world's second biggest crypto by market cap will set itself up for a bullish explosion right around the $2,700 level. The trader goes as far as to say that Ethereum will eventually flip Bitcoin or overtake it in terms of market cap, while naming a few key catalysts to trigger it. At the time of this production, Bitcoin is trading at $45,000 and Ethereum is trading at $3,100 according to CoinGecko. In today's rocker segment, Gene Simmons from KISS says that he jumped into crypto at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic after having a conversation with noted Bitcoin bull and Gemini crypto exchange co-founder Tyler Winklevoss. Simmons calls himself a hodler and predicts that Bitcoin's price will reach as high as $60,000 by the start of next year. Simmons also says that when Bitcoin took its May plunge to under $30,000, he bought more. The KISS lead singer also says he holds Ethereum in his portfolio, which he states to have bought at around $900. Earlier this year, Simmons said he had invested $300,000 in Ethereum competitor Cardano. This wraps up things for today. Leave your comments on today's stories and also drop suggestions for what you'd like coverage on in the future. And if you like today's show, give it a like and subscribe by hitting that sub button. If you're on the go, you can get the same content in our podcast at www.coinpunks.ca. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.